Here we are at number 5 Seagull Avenue, Coolum Beach. Got a fantastic outdoor area here. Nice decking overlooking the pool. More decking, barbecue area. Over here we've got this great seating area. It comes off the living room. Great dining. Ceiling fans throughout. This is a fully furnished home. Fully equipped kitchen. We've got gas cooking, dishwasher, nice big double sink, stone bench top. Here we've got the master bedroom. Again, ceiling fans throughout, and there is also air conditioning throughout. Ensuite. Nice big shower, vanity and toilet. Plenty of storage in the master. And through to the other 2 bedrooms. So they're good sized bedrooms. Again, we have ceiling fans and air conditioners. These 2 back bedrooms have direct access outside to their own little private deck overlooking the backyard. Plenty of room for kids to play. Clothesline out there. And through here we've got the 3rd bedroom. Again, ceiling fan, air conditioning, and plenty of storage. All bedrooms have built-ins, big linen press, toilet and laundry area. And here we have the 2nd bedroom, second bathroom. It's a good size for a family. And we've got the bath. Good quality fittings throughout. And through the back here we have direct access from the double garage. This is a really good size as well. Plenty of storage over at the side there. If you'd like to apply for this fantastic property, please contact Richardson and Wrench.